It's 5:44 right now here in the land. That means it's time to check in on national stories making headlines. For that, Russ Mitchell joins us for what's happening now in America. Hi, Russ.
Hey, Betsy, good evening. Good evening to you at home as well. A federal judge has tossed out the indictments brought by the Trump administration against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. The judge found the prosecutor who brought the charges was illegally appointed to the Justice Department. President Trump nominated Lindsey Halligan, his former personal lawyer, who had no previous experience as a prosecutor. Within days, she brought the criminal cases against Comey and James. The judge found that Halligan's appointment was invalid, and therefore the indictments do not stand. Comey responded in a video late this afternoon.
This case mattered to me personally, obviously, but it matters most because a message has to be sent that the President of the United States cannot use the Department of Justice to target his political enemies.
And the DOJ says it will appeal that decision. The Pentagon says it's investigating Democratic Arizona Senator Mark Kelly after he and 5 other lawmakers called for U.S. troops to refuse unlawful orders. The White House says Kelly's statements interfered with the loyalty, morale, and discipline of armed forces. Federal law says the troops do have specific obligations to reject unlawful orders if they, in fact, make that determination. President Trump says he plans to travel to Beijing in April and will host Chinese President Xi Jinping for a state visit later next year. That announcement comes after the two leaders spoke by phone today. And one of 2 people convicted for the Slender Man stabbing in Wisconsin back in 2014 is now back in custody. Morgan Geyer escaped a group home on Saturday night after cutting off her monitor bracelet. She was on the run for just over 24 hours before being taken back into custody in Illinois. And that is all from this desk for now. See you.